Before performing a single leg deadlift, one should learn the mechanics of the single leg hinge pattern. As demonstrated in this video here, this individual is going to leave the fully erect upright position, lower toward the floor, driving the left hip backward relative to their ankle. Again, from the fully erect or upright position, this individual lowers, pressing the left hip backward relative to the position of the ankle. As demonstrated on the opposite leg here, it's clear to see where the right hip is pressed backward relative to the ankle, and in this position the hip is directly above the ankle. If you are effective at moving the hip behind the ankle when you lower into the deadlift position, you're going to feel tension build up on the back side of your thigh and the muscles referred to as the hamstrings. This tension in the hamstrings is important as it's the hamstrings that help support the weight-bearing leg as well as provide reinforcement for the lower back. As seen in the video demonstration here, from behind, when this individual lowers into the deadlift position, the hips are flat. If you were to lay a stick or a plate on this individual's hips, that would be parallel to the ground. You can also reference the barbell in the background to see how the hips are parallel with that bar. Now, when done incorrectly, when lowering into this hinge position, the hips can be seen off parallel as witnessed here. The hips for this individual are not parallel with that barbell in the background. Again, this would be an incorrect technique, and oftentimes we see individuals are uneven, they're not parallel in their hips, especially when trying to lift weight. The further weight an individual tries to lift, the further this problem becomes. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration.